Alright. This will be the beginning cold start of the 99 F150. If I can get it out of here without hitting anything. We'll see if it starts. Oh yeah. Just like an old Ford would. This will be a full tour and startup of our 1999 Ford F150. It's the XLT with the 4.6 liter Triton. So we'll start it up and walk around and do a full tour. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. We'll go ahead and start it up here. See if the miles come on here. Has 129,756.3. There, just like that. We'll go ahead and walk around the outside and then we'll show you the rest of the inside. Stripe all the way down, and it has this neat design on the door here. Only spot right here is where the paint's off, but we'll be painting that. Has no rust at all the way around. As you can see underneath, there's no rust. We've tried to keep it very well. It has running boards and mud flaps. That's kind of about the only accessories on this. Alright, we'll go ahead and open up the hood. There it is. 4.6. go ahead and check out the inside now. I'll give you a view from out here first. As you can see, the seat is in perfect condition yet. It's had a cover on it for most of the time. Most of the time they get ripped through here and here. Floor mat we had made for it, just out of a rug kind of a deal here. But the back seat is in same condition. Go ahead and close the door and try to keep some of the heat in. On the steering wheel you have your cruise on and off, and then the resume and set and coast. Over here, this one just has the windshield wiper on the turn signal. Down here you got the headlights, parking light and headlight, as you can see, and also the panel dim. And over here in the center you have the radio. You have the push on up here, just got your bass and treble and all that there, your seek and tune and the presets, and this one doesn't even have a CD player, just for a tape. Down here you have your heater and air conditioning controls. You got the fan, heat, cool, and then over here all the different settings. Over here you have the four-wheel drive, and then the little toggle here to shut the air vent on and off. Down here you have your power and your lighter. Over here you have your cup holders and an ashtray underneath, and that's just spring loaded. It pushes in and locks. Up above you just have your sun visor and a little strap. It does not have any mirror in this one. You have your glove box over here. It has a light, and that's about it. Have your radio. And it has 4 speakers, 1 in each front door, and 1 in each back door also. Alright, we'll get out. We'll just let it keep running because I have to put it back in the garage. We'll check out the back here. Have a topper. It was put on it when it was new. Have the rubber mat, our own storage bin, and extra oil just in case. Doesn't burn any that we know of, but better to have that. The seat's in the same condition over here. It has no rips or marks or anything. It was really well taken care of. There's a better view of the dash. You can kind of get an idea there. Open up the door. Very nice truck. We have a 2000 F-150 also. Really no difference. They're good ones. Well, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour and startup of our 99 F-150. It's our only one we have out and running right now. The rest of our cars are all put away for the winter, so I thought I'd get a quick tour done of it while it's out, and it was a day where it was just warm enough where I could possibly stand it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like and do everything you can like that. Like I said in my vlog videos, and also make sure to check them out, because I'm trying a new thing of making vlogs of what we do. Yeah, go check that out. So thanks, and subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.